Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover lost, hacked Instagram account without verify email, phone number and the password. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, we have to tap and hold the App Store, then tap on Updates. Here, we have to check the list if there is any update available for Instagram. If there is, then we have to update Instagram app first. Then launch Instagram. We don't have the password and we have to tap on forgotten password. Then we have to tap on can't reset your password. We don't have anything right now, so that's why we are using that way. The phone number is not verified. My phone number is verified, but if you lost or a hack account and you don't know the number or the number also change, then we have to tap on try another way. On the next page, on the top, you will see what can I do if I have lost access to the account or Instagram, something like that. We have to scroll. Here we have to submit the feedback and we are going to select was this helpful. We have to say no. Now we'll see four options. The information is confusing. The solution doesn't work. We have to select the solution doesn't work. On the next, can you say more? Yes. I tried to log in my Instagram, but I think I forgot my password and email. Please help me to recover it. If you need anything, you can contact me. And we have to put the active email. Right now you have. Then put Instagram ID and put your active number that you want to change or connect to your Instagram ID. Then we have to tap submit. Thanks. Your feedback helped improve this answer for everyone. Now Instagram team will send you an email within 24 hours to recover your Instagram account and connect with your email and the phone number that you are giving in the box. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.